Do you believe that just one simple ingredient found right in your kitchen, if used the right way, can help your skin become firmer, brighter, and reduce age spots in just a few days? It's not some expensive cosmetic product, but a humble cucumber, a familiar fruit that most people don't fully appreciate for its true skincare benefits. When combined with other natural ingredients like honey, yogurt, or aloe vera, cucumber becomes a gentle yet powerful skincare remedy, especially suitable for mature skin that needs repair and deep nourishment. Dear friends, don't skip this video. What I'm about to share is not just a beauty tip, but a whole process of personal experience, something drawn from real results. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll respond thoroughly. And if you find the content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It truly motivates me to share more useful things with you. Wishing you good health, happiness, and a naturally radiant glow. Now, let's begin, my friends. Dear viewers, before diving into the specific recipes, let me clarify. Cucumber is truly a miracle fruit for your skin. That's not an exaggeration, it's a conclusion backed by numerous scientific studies as well as real-life testimonials from those who have tried it and seen remarkable improvements. Cucumber contains over 90% water, a crucial element that delivers natural hydration and instantly soothes the skin. It's especially effective for dry, dull, or mildly irritated areas. I often compare cucumber to a direct drink for your skin, cooling, fast-absorbing, gentle, and unlike many cosmetic products, it doesn't clog pores or leave a greasy residue. Thanks to these properties, cucumber isn't just for youthful skin, it's ideal for mature skin too. As we age, our skin loses moisture, becomes more sensitive, and reacts more easily to harsh chemicals. What's magical is that when cucumber is combined properly with other natural ingredients like honey, aloe vera, or yogurt, the skincare benefits multiply, offering safety, long-term effectiveness, and no future damage. Moreover, cucumber contains significant amounts of vitamin C and vitamin K, two essential nutrients in the skin's regeneration process. Vitamin C helps brighten the skin and supports collagen production, an essential protein for firm, elastic skin. Vitamin K plays a key role in reducing dark circles and uneven skin tone, giving your skin a naturally healthy glow. Another underrated yet powerful component in cucumbers is silica, a mineral that strengthens skin structure, improves firmness, and helps prevent premature aging. It also soothes inflammation caused by acne or irritation, making it especially suitable for those with sensitive or easily damaged skin. What I truly appreciate about cucumber is its safety and gentleness. It rarely causes irritation, even for older adults or those with delicate skin. That's why cucumber is considered a golden ingredient in natural skincare, particularly beneficial for skin that shows signs of aging after age 50. Now let's explore 4 golden cucumber recipes for your skin. Recipe 1. Cucumber plus honey, for deep moisture and a natural healthy glow. Dear friends, if your skin is becoming dry, dull, or you notice fine lines around the mouth or eyes, chances are your skin is severely dehydrated. In that case, I truly recommend trying this recipe. First, prepare 1 spoonful of pure honey. Honey is rich in natural antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, powerful compounds that moisturize, soften the skin, and protect it from sunlight, pollution, and age-related damage. When combined with cucumber, a cooling, water-rich fruit packed with vitamins, you get a 100% natural hydrating mask. Cucumber soothes the skin, tightens pores, and offers mild anti-inflammatory effects. Meanwhile, honey locks in moisture and nourishes the skin barrier from within. These 2 ingredients work in perfect harmony, cleansing deeply while nourishing and restoring the skin for lasting results. And it's super easy to make. Just blend half a fresh cucumber into a smooth puree, mix it with 1 spoon of honey, and apply evenly onto clean skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. Gently pat dry with a soft towel, and you'll instantly feel your skin become softer, cooler, and more energized. If you use this mask 2 to 3 times a week consistently, your skin will gradually become brighter, more hydrated, even-toned, and visibly healthier. It's especially great for those with dry, dull skin or anyone entering the phase where signs of aging begin to show. Recipe 2. Cucumber plus unsweetened yogurt, to brighten and smooth your skin naturally. Dear friends, if your skin is starting to look dull, uneven in tone, or frequently feels dry and lifeless, then this is the perfect recipe for you. First, prepare 1 tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt. This type of yogurt is not only great for your overall health, but also contains many valuable components for your skin, especially for those with mature or aging skin. The standout component in unsweetened yogurt is lactic acid, a natural AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, that gently exfoliates dead skin cells, brightening the skin and evening out skin tone without thinning or damaging the skin like harsh chemical exfoliants. Additionally, lactic acid helps clean deep inside pores, preventing acne and visibly improving skin texture. Yogurt also contains probiotics, live beneficial bacteria that help balance the skin's microbiome, reducing inflammation, calming irritated areas, and strengthening the skin from within. This is a unique benefit that not many cosmetic products can offer. Moreover, yogurt is rich in vitamin B2 and vitamin B12, 2 essential nutrients that help repair damaged skin, reduce flaking, and naturally soften and brighten the skin. These benefits are especially useful for dry, sensitive skin or for those beginning to experience dark spots and discoloration with age. Yogurt also contains calcium and protein, which help boost skin elasticity and support the repair of the skin's connective tissues, particularly important for skin that's starting to sag or show fine lines. The zinc in yogurt provides gentle antibacterial effects, soothing acne-prone or mildly inflamed areas. When unsweetened yogurt is combined with fresh cucumber, you get a wonderfully cooling and gentle facial mask. This blend not only soothes irritated skin but also brightens, softens, and deeply nourishes the skin from within, supporting natural cell regeneration without any harsh effects like those found in instant whitening products. How to make it? Take about 2 tablespoons of fresh cucumber juice and mix it evenly with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt. After cleansing your face, apply the mixture evenly. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse off with cool water. If used regularly 2 to 3 times a week, you'll notice your skin becoming noticeably softer, brighter, more even-toned, and most importantly, it will feel revived and vibrant again. Recipe 3. Cucumber plus egg white, to tighten pores and firm the skin. Dear friends, in middle age, our skin not only becomes drier or duller, but also starts to lose firmness and elasticity. Pores, especially around the nose, cheeks, and forehead, may become more visible. This is often due to decreased skin elasticity and a natural decline in collagen production. At this stage, moisturizing alone isn't enough. Your skin also needs a gentle lift and pore tightening effect. That's why I'd like to share a simple but effective recipe: cucumber combined with egg white. What you need: 1 egg white. Egg white has long been considered a natural ingredient for tightening the skin and absorbing excess oil on the skin's surface. It contains albumin, a type of protein that temporarily tightens the skin, helps shrink pores, and leaves the skin feeling smoother right after use. Cucumber, as always, brings its signature benefits: soothing, hydrating, and gently anti-inflammatory, balancing out the slight tightening effect of the egg white so the skin doesn't feel overly tight or dry. When these 2 ingredients are combined, you get a natural mask that offers an instant firming sensation while remaining gentle for mature skin. It's especially suitable for those with mildly oily or combination skin who are dealing with enlarged pores or reduced elasticity. How to make it? Lightly whisk 1 egg white until smooth. Then mix it with 2 tablespoons of fresh cucumber juice. After cleansing your face, apply the mixture using a brush or fingertips, gently tapping to ensure even coverage, especially over the cheeks and forehead, where enlarged pores are more common. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes, or until you feel the egg white tightening on your skin. Then, rinse off with warm water. Immediately after, you'll notice smoother skin, a refreshed surface without excess oil, and visibly reduced pores. A gentle reminder: only use this mask 1 to 2 times a week to avoid over-drying the skin, especially if your skin type is dry or sensitive. After use, it's best to follow up with a light moisturizer or natural facial oil like almond oil or coconut oil to restore moisture balance. Final recipe: cucumber plus lemon juice, to fade dark spots, brighten skin, and reduce oil gently. Dear friends, once we cross the age of 50, our skin not only develops wrinkles and dryness, but also starts to show signs of uneven tone, dark spots, and mild pigmentation. Some of this is caused by daily sun exposure, while other changes stem from hormonal shifts due to aging. These tiny dark patches on the cheeks, chin, or near the temples can sometimes make us self-conscious, even though our hearts still feel young and want to shine. In cases like these, fresh lemon juice, with its mild natural acidity and high vitamin C content, can help gently brighten dark areas of the skin. The vitamin C in lemon helps inhibit the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for darkening the skin, while also stimulating new, brighter, and more even-toned skin cell regeneration. However, please note that lemon is highly acidic and can easily cause irritation if used alone, especially on thin or sensitive skin in those over 50. That's why I always recommend combining lemon juice with cucumber juice. Cucumber acts as a natural buffer. It soothes the skin, neutralizes the harsh acidity, and adds hydration. This way, the blend helps lighten dark spots while minimizing the risk of irritation, making it a much safer and more balanced option when used properly. How to do it? Simply squeeze 1 to 2 drops of fresh lemon juice into about 1 tablespoon of pure cucumber juice. Then mix well. Don't apply this to your whole face. Instead, dab a small amount directly onto dark spots, sun-damaged areas, or places showing discoloration. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse off with cool water. If your skin is strong and resilient, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week. But if your skin is sensitive, limit it to once a week, and always test a small area first. After using this blend, it's important to follow up with a gentle toner or moisturizer. And if you're heading outside, be sure to protect your skin well, as it becomes more sensitive to sunlight after treatment. Dear friends, through this journey of natural skincare, I've learned a few very important lessons. Beautiful skin doesn't come from using too many products, nor from spending a lot of money. Sometimes, it's the smallest changes, when done correctly, that make our skin healthier from within, without needing to rely on cosmetics. Checkmark first. Take care of your skin consistently, don't neglect it, and don't rush results. Apply masks 2 to 3 times a week. Wash your face gently, and moisturize after each treatment. Get enough sleep, eat healthy, and stay hydrated, because healthy skin isn't just about what goes on the outside, it starts from within. Be patient and listen to your skin. If it feels dry, tight, or irritated, take a step back and reassess your routine. Don't continue to attack it with harsh products. Prohibited. Second, when using natural skincare methods, one thing you absolutely must not overlook is sun protection. After applying face masks, especially those containing ingredients like cucumber, yogurt, or lemon, your skin becomes more sensitive to sunlight. If you don't protect it properly, it can actually become more pigmented or sun damaged than before. That's why I always say, after any face mask, if you're going outside, use a gentle sunscreen suitable for sensitive skin, and cover up with a wide-brimmed hat, a light jacket, or a scarf around your face and neck. Don't let the sun undo all your daily efforts. Red apple. Third, glowing skin isn't just about what you apply on the outside, it's about how you nourish it from the inside. Our skin at middle age doesn't have the elasticity and vitality it once did. So caring for it requires more than just external treatment. To maintain healthy, bright, and youthful skin, the inside of the body also needs proper nourishment. Make sure to boost your daily intake of hydration, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The simplest way is to eat lots of green vegetables and fresh fruits. especially those rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. Like oranges, grapefruits, papaya, carrots, and spinach. Also, drink enough water daily, especially warm water, to keep the skin hydrated and support gentle detox from within. If you can, you may also consider adding collagen from natural food sources like fish, slow-cooked chicken skin, or trusted collagen supplements suitable for your age. However, always consult a doctor or expert before using them long-term to ensure safety and effectiveness. Yellow heart. And finally, be patient. There is no safe method that delivers results overnight. But if you stay consistent, gentle, and committed, just a few weeks from now, you'll notice the difference. Your skin will be brighter, smoother, and most importantly, stronger and healthier day by day. Natural skincare is like caring for a plant. You water it a little each day. Love it a little each day. And one morning, you'll look in the mirror and feel younger, not by age, but by the energy and glow in your reflection. If you have any questions during the process, no matter how small, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't hesitate. I always read them all and will respond with care. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so I'll have more motivation to keep sharing kind, gentle, and meaningful things with the community every day. Wishing you always good health, happiness, and a sense of beauty in your own way, not from makeup, but from the light in your soul and the sparkle in your eyes. Thank you, and see you again soon.